This is an annuity versus an IRA part 3. When comparing the two products, you got to understand there are 3 phases of money. There's the accumulation phase, distribution phase, and the preservation phase. In the accumulation phase, all of your investing is about how do I get as much wealth as possible. So things like starting an IRA young so you can get compound interest. Those are all things you look at because you're trying to build this mountain of wealth. But when you get into the distribution phase, it's how do I make this money that I have last as long as possible so I don't run out of money. So many people, when they speak to a financial advisor, they're only focused on the accumulation phase. And if you don't plan in the accumulation phase for the distribution phase, it's going to get ugly. I recently had a client who was 51 years old and he's going to retire at 65, but he came to me and is looking to plan for that distribution phase. What we looked at is all of his money was exposed to the stock market, to the risk. We put him into a fixed index annuity that had a floor and a cap. The floor being 20%. What that means is if the stock market goes down 18%, he's down 0. If it goes down 21%, he's only down 1%. And then he also had a cap, which the cap was 10%, meaning if the stock market goes up 9%, you get 9%. If it's up 11, you get 10. This one move dramatically reduced his risk and is going to set him up a lot better for the distribution phase of his life.